Hey everybody, welcome back to another poetry video. Today we're talking about color poetry. Sense your senses. You might be wondering, what is color poetry? Simply put, it's an expression of culture through your favorite color. You're going to use your five senses to guide your descriptions. It's an expressive form of poetry that follows a general pattern of comparison. You will see this in the exemplars. You might be wondering, what does it look like? Here are some examples. So, you think you're ready, do ya? Well, the first thing we need to do is start with a graphic organizer. I've got one in the slide deck that you have access to. But before we even start our graphic organizer, I think there's some things that you need to know. So here are some tips and tricks for writing a color poem. First one, use your graphic organizer. Try to get 3 to 4 items per sense, but please remember that some items might be used for more than one sense, so if you feel stuck on a certain one, you can use it for a different sense. Don't repeat it though. So for instance, if you were using the color blue and you said blue smells like the ocean, you wouldn't use blue looks like the ocean too. Mix it up. Don't list your items in the order that you brainstormed it in. Mix it up a little. You don't want to be saying things like yellow smells like, yellow smells like, yellow smells like, yellow looks like, yellow looks like. You want to mix it up a little bit and be creative with how you do that. You also want to be creative with your word choices. You don't want to say something like yellow looks like a banana or yellow feels like a banana. We want to see something like yellow feels like a slimy, slippery banana in my hand. Lastly, be creative with your design. It's meant to be colorful and cheery. Make sure you have fun. For those of you who are wondering how to use the graphic organizer, I will go through that in this quick little tutorial. If I could get a volunteer to maybe help me. Is there anybody here that would like to help? Yeah, how about you, Cooper? Would you like to help? Okay. Let's start with your favorite color. What is your favorite color, Cooper?
Green.
That didn't take long. Okay. Well, what does green smell like?
Poop.
What else does green smell like?
Toilet.
Things other than toilet talk, Cooper.
Green smells like freshly cut grass. Green smells like a dump truck dumping. Green smells like a yummy green apple.
What does green taste like?
Broccoli.
What other foods are green?
Asparagus.
Good job. What?
Bell pepper can be green. Green tastes like a yummy sucker.
What does green sound like?
Green is an excavator digging.
Good.
Lawnmower mowing with a rock coming out of it.
Okay.
Green sounds like a chalk on the chalkboard.
What does green feel like?
Green feels like a sticky sucker. Green feels like slimy seaweed. Green feels like a remote controller that I'm using in my hand to control something.
What does green look like?
A garbage truck in a trash can. Green is my favorite color in the rainbow.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's how to fill out that graphic organizer and how to write a color poem. Enjoy!